How to reset a Brookstone heated blanket. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Brookstone heated blanket step by step. If your blanket stops heating, flashes an error, or just won't turn on, don't worry, it's usually a small control issue. Now here is the solution step by step. Step 1. Unplug everything. First, unplug the control from the wall outlet. Then, unplug the control cord from the blanket itself. Leave everything disconnected for about 2 to 3 minutes. This clears any internal errors. Step 2. Check the connection ports. Now, inspect the connection point where the control plugs into the blanket. Make sure it's clean, fully inserted, and not loose. A poor connection is one of the most common reasons for the blanket not heating. Step 3. Plug it back in. After waiting a few minutes, plug the control cord back into the blanket. Then plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Make sure you're using a working outlet. Avoid extension cords if possible. Step 4. Turn on the controller. Press the power button on the controller. If the blanket powers on and the display looks normal, that means the reset worked. If you still see an error, unplug it again and check for any twisted or damaged cords before retrying. Step 5. Test the heat. Set the blanket to a low or medium heat setting first. Wait a few minutes to see if it warms up evenly. If it does, you're good to go. Important notes. Always disconnect the blanket before cleaning or resetting. Never use a blanket with frayed wires or damaged controls. It's unsafe. If the controller keeps flashing errors, you might need a replacement control unit. And that's it! You just learned how to reset your Brookstone heated blanket quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home fix guides.